My name is Ziad Fayyad. I'm part of the Einstein Analytics product team, and today I'm going to show you an interesting use case for connect data sources. So we know that we can use connect data sources on dashboards to connect to data sets or more. And so, for example, let's say this particular widget is coming from another data set, everything else is coming from another data set. And if I look at connect data sources, I have already one on industry and opportunity name, which means if I go to preview mode and click on industry, for example, here, notice how the numbers here will update because that's from the other data set and it updated. And if I had also dates, and let me see if I have actually date. I do have a date right here. And if I click, again, remember the number, let's say it was 348. And if I click on, just for simplicity and brevity right now, I'm gonna pick something like from 5, maybe even 2018, okay, all the way through somewhere here. Okay, so 348 should update, and it does not. Well, of course, because there was not a connect data source. So let me go and connect on. So connect on close date. And again, first data set does not matter how I start, which one I pick. Second one, second data set, close and close date. Hit save, close, and now preview. And now same or similar selections should definitely change the numbers. So randomly update 348 and scroll down, and there you go, it's 150 now. So it worked. However, so that's for date. But when it comes to date parts, for example, this is a timeline chart, and the group by is year month. So you see it says year month, and if I click on year month, this does not update the other data set from the other widget from or step from the other data set. And the reason is when you connect on the date, you're just connecting on the whole date or just date that date field as is. So if I go here and double click on this widget or step, you're gonna see that the group by is year month. And if I go to Sackle, just to view certain things, I'm gonna see that it has this particular format. This is close date and year month. This is the way let's call it the engine recognizes it, the SQL query. Sorry, the SQL query. So what I'm gonna do is to make these two charts connect, I'm gonna copy this. Okay, just keep it in mind. Or actually, I'm just gonna try to remember what it is. Close date. Okay, I got it. And I'm gonna go to the second data set. And let's go to the second data set. Just I can clone this, no problem. All what I want to do is just to see what's the close date in the second data set. And again, randomly, I'm gonna do this. Go to Sackle and see in the second data set, this is how it defines year month. So I'm gonna copy this because I'm gonna use it, control copy, and I will cancel this. I don't need it. So again, I'm back to my dashboard. I just know what are the names of the fields or how the date parts are represented. And at the risk of calling it advanced, maybe you want to call it advanced, but I think if you just practice around for now, and remember this is as of summer 18, you should be a little bit confident, able, or at least able to do the Command E or Control E. So I'm going to hit Control E or Command E. And under the JSON, I will see my links. This is what I'm looking for, the links, right? And if I scroll down, remember I called it connecting on close date right here. And this is what it has originally. So what I can do is actually replace this by the, so this is products opportunity. So I will replace this by the right format. And then this one, if you remember, it was called close date underscore year. Then 3 of these, and then close. Again, gotta be exactly the same it's written. So now I'm connecting the date parts for my widget. I will hit done. And if I test it, Now the timeline chart should work. So notice now if I click on any month, there you go, it updated. So again, it's not per se in the UI, but you should be able to do it. Notice I replaced the existing one. If I wanted, I would have created another connection, called it something, and replaced it behind the scene to keep the original date widget working. But as you can see, it's a little bit. It is straightforward. It does need a little bit venturing into the JSON for now, as of summer 18. And I hope this helps you if you have those charts. Like I said, I've seen some of these requests. So keep in mind that you can do it with a little editing and looking at the cycle just to get that date part format. Again, as a reminder, this is as of summer 18, and thanks for watching.